Okay, so right now we are discussing the probability, right? In the case when two dices are thrown simultaneously, right? So the dice 1, it has numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on it. The dice 2 also has numbers from 1 to 6 on it, right? So this 1 represents the number 1 on the first dice and again the number 1 on the second dice. 3, 4 represents number 3 on the first dice and 4 represents the number on the fourth dice. So this is how you make a grid of 6 by 6 when two dices are thrown. 6, 5 means the number 6 comes on the first dice and the number comes on the second dice. So let's discuss the various probabilities that can be there. Now probability of getting 6 on both the dices, right? So as you can see, there are total 36 cases. 6 into 6 is 36. So denominator is 36 because in denominator we write the total outcomes that are possible. So in this case, there are 36 outcomes. So that's why we are writing 36 here. In the numerator, we have favorable outcomes. Out of these 36 cases, there is only one case, right, wherein you get 6 on both the dices. So that's why the probability of 6 on both the dices is only 1 out of 36. Now let's discuss what will be the probability of a doublet. Doublet means you get the same number on both the dices. So you get 1 and 1 on both, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So there are 6 favorable cases out of a total of 36. So that's why the probability of a doublet is 1 by 6. Now probability, when you throw two dices and the numbers that appear on the top of the two dices, their sum should be 9, right? So denominator is again 36 because there are 36 possible outcomes, right? Favorable, the sum should be 9. In this row, first row, there is no case wherein the sum is 9. Here also the maximum sum is 2 plus 6, 8. Here you have a case, 3 plus 6 is 9, right? Here 4 plus 5 is 9. In this row, 5 and 4 is 9. And the last one, 6 and 3 makes 9. So there are total 4 favorable cases out of 36. So that's why probability of sum 9 is 1 by 9. After that, probability product is 12. Again, you have two numbers appearing on the top of the dices. Their product should be 12, right? So you have to see how many cases are there out of these 36, wherein the product of the numbers is 12. In this row, product 12 is not there. In the second row, 2 6 are 12. So we have a one case wherein the product is 12. 3 4 is 12. Again, one case. In this one, 4 3s are 12. In this case, 12 is not there. And in the last one, 6 2s is 12. So there are total 4 cases out of 36 wherein the product is 12. So the probability of product is 1 by 9. So it is very important to make a grid of 6 by 6 in case of a throwing of two dices simultaneously. So then you can find the answer to any question. For example, probability, both the numbers on the top of the dice, they should be prime numbers, right? In this row, it is not possible because one is neither prime nor composite. Here, 2 2 is an option, 2 3 is an option, and 2 5 is an option. So there are 3 cases, right? If 2 5 comes, the first number, the number on the first dice is a prime, and the number on the second dice is also a prime. So 3 2. 3, 3, and 3, 5. So there are three cases here. 4 is not a prime number, right? So no option in this row. 5, 2, 5, 3, and 5, 5. So three options here. 6 is not prime, right? So no option here. So total 9 options are there out of 36. So probability of prime number on both the dices. So that is 1/9. So this is how we can solve various questions of probability on simultaneous throw of two dices, right? Thank you.